Good morning, people. Today is a new day, and today we're going to do a full day of eating, because why the fuck not when I'm doing well. So, for starters, this is what we've got. We've got 4 whole eggs, 200 gram egg white, and 2 bagels under there. And then we're also having 100 grams oats, a full banana, and a scoop dark chocolate square. Now, both of these have a lot of Himalayan salt on, because why the fuck not? And then we're also just going to pair it with some electrolytes. Now, I don't know if this is like a maintenance for me, or I'm bulking, or whatever I'm doing, but I need to lose a bit more fat for what I want to kind of get into after the holidays. So yeah, we'll see what happens.
I want to know it all.
Anyways, that's the start of the full day of eating, so I shall see you in a bit. People, we're on to meal 2, which is 250 grams chicken, and I think this is 250 grams rice, or it might be 125. I think it's 250. But this is meal 2. I mean, there's not really much order into the meals. It's just what I have. Alright, people, we're on to our next meal of the day, which is mince, green beans, and rice. With some sauce, obviously. Now, I don't know where the fuck this video is going, if it even is going to be uploaded, because I've just kind of gone on a crash course of social media. Just stopped recording, stopped uploading, stopped editing. I've just stopped everything. Now, I don't know why. I don't know if like my drive's kind of gone for it at the minute, but yeah, we'll see what happens.
Alright, what's up YouTube? We are back in the gym now. It is currently 10:15, which is always fun. Back day today, and we've got a new pre to try. Booked up America Rocket Pop. So you know how we do it. I mean, if I could even know how to open it. Probably should have done this before the video, shouldn't I? Would have been quicker, I guess. But oh well, that's what it is. Been recording a full day of eating as well for this video. However, I did forget to what the fuck? I did forget to record my pre-meal, so he's on getting that. What the fuck? Am I being stupid? I am being stupid. Alright, anyways, as I was saying, new pre, booked up America Popsicle. It took me 10 minutes to get into that, because it was glued together. Which is fucking stupid. Oh, it's a nice small scoop though. So, you know how we do it. I've still got to warm up and shit, so it's probably beneficial that I do this now. Let's do 3 scoops. Oh, that tastes fucking disgusting. That tastes fucking disgusting. But it's going to fuel this back workout, so without further ado, let's figure out what the fuck we've got and get on with it. Just realised the fucking pre-workout match of the wraps. That must mean something.
Alright, partner. Keep on rolling, baby. You know what time it is. Chocolate starfish. Keep on rolling, baby.
Alright, let's get all these cops to good use. This back is fucked.
Hands up, now hands down. Tell me what you gonna do now. Hands up, now hands down. Tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. 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 Hey ladies, hey fellas, and the people that don't give a fuck. All the lovers, all the haters, and all the people that call themselves players. Hot mamas, pimp daddies, and the people rolling up in caddies. Hey rockers, hip hoppers, and everybody all around the world. Hands up, now hands down. Tell me what you gonna do now. Hands up, now hands down. Tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. 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 Hands up, now hands down. Tell me what you gonna do now. Hands up, now hands down. Tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. 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 Something in here's not right today. Why am I so uptight today? Paranoia is all I got left. I don't know what stressed me first, how the pressure was fed, but I know just what it feels like to have a voice in the back of my head. But the face that I hold inside, face that awakes when I close my eyes, face that I watch every time I lie, face that laughs every time I fall. So I know that when it's time to sink or swim, the face inside is hearing me right underneath my skin. It's like a paranoid looking over my back. It's like a whirlwind inside of my head. It's like I can't stop what I'm hearing within. It's like the face inside is right beneath my skin. I know I've got a face in me, points out all my mistakes to me. You got a face on the inside too. Your paranoia is probably worse. I don't know what set me on first, but I know what I can't stand. Everybody acts, but the fact of the matter is I can't add up to what you can. But everybody has a face that they hold inside. Face that awakes when I close my eyes. Face that watches every time they lie. Face that laughs every time they fall. So you know that when it's time to sink or swim, that the face inside is watching you too, right inside your skin. It's like I'm paranoid looking over my back. It's like a whirlwind inside of my head. It's like I can't stop what I'm hearing within. It's like the face inside is right beneath the skin. It's like I'm paranoid looking over my back. It's like a whirlwind inside of my head. It's like I can't stop what I'm hearing within. It's like the face inside is right beneath my skin. The face inside is right beneath the skin. The face inside is right beneath the skin. The face inside is right beneath the skin.
Alright people, that was the gym session done. That felt unbelievable. I did my old pull session from when I was like, what, 18, 19, when I had stamina like there was no tomorrow. I'm not gonna lie, I've been in there for 2 hours, so it took us a while, but damn, that was fun. My back was fucking pumped as fuck as well, so I'm definitely back definitely going to run up my old gym plan and see where it gets us. But time to go home, have my last 2 meals, get everything ready for tomorrow and go to bed. So I shall see you in a second. Is this even working? I hope it is. Alright people, second last meal is going in. It is currently 20 to 1 in the morning and we're having 100 grams of Cocoa Pops with some protein powder and water in it instead of milk and shit like that. So yeah, I'm gonna get this downers, get my next meal straight in and then go to bed because I'm tired. It's been a long day. Yeah. Alright people, last meal is going in. It is 5 minutes past 1 in the fucking morning. So we have chicken, rice and green beans. To be precise, 250 grams chicken, 125 grams rice, and about 40 grams green beans. And we are going to put a bit of sauce on it. We've got salt on it, so yes. But that's the end of this video, so if you liked it, please like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Comment if you really want to. But yeah, hopefully this actually gets uploaded the next few days and I don't just not do it again. We'll just have to wait and see, won't we? Alright, anyways, peace out.